Breakfast time. Pancakes with extra Nutella and honey and berries. Bruny Island honey.
Oyster Cove farm berries.
The agenda today, well, we don't know. We usually never really know.
We just go by ear.
Yeah, the YouTubers probably think that we've got this all planned, but we never plan anything. We always go by whatever's close by and we find on wiki camps and we go to that.
Wiki camps or pamphlets or word of mouth.
Or something we find in the caravan park or on an information desk or... So yes, there's our little secret with travelling. But this morning, breakfast for champions.
One of the things I find incredible about a lot of these gums that have a full top on them, their inside is actually hollowed out. And it's been hollowed out by a combination of rot and fire, and they're still able to provide nutrients to their tree tops because they provide nutrients via this bit here called the heartwood.
Maybe a little bit muddy on the track that we came in on last night.
Because it was raining.
Yes, we had quite a bit of rain. We're going off to look at some ruins. Haven't seen any ruins on this trip.
Let's check them out.
We do like our ruins.
The track's actually not that muddy. The country here is predominantly rock, and all the plants that you see weave their roots in between the rock. We are currently here at Southport Lagoon camping site, and we will be heading over here to the Southwest National Park, and I believe the ruins are next to the whale sculpture. We are at Couple Creek.
Before we go on the walk, we need to have some lunch.
Protein?
Protein?
Yes.
Schnitzel wraps with salad. What's this all about, Nate?
These are the tide predictions.
Oh, mama, someone's in love. Like the two little oyster catchers. There's always two oyster catchers together. Couples forever.
Zach has just informed me that there is a sea creature that puts these holes in the shelves.
Each one of them will have one hole in them. It's either a little fish or a snail or something. I can't remember exactly what it was. A long time ago that I told that information, but we'll look it up and put it up on the screen for you. It looks like a bone to me.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It definitely is hard.
I reckon it's a whale bone. Do we go along the beach or do we go up this little track nose?
I'm going to pick along the beach.
Alright, let's go along the beach. Which one do you want to see first, Nose?
Let's go see the light and then we'll see the ruin.
Okay. Is that a shoe? Still looks good.
The lighthouses these days are run by solar.
The ruins, I can see them. Got any information about this?
You'll have to walk around and find out.
Thick brick wall. Oh, that's to be the chimney just there. Wonder how old it is. They could trim down their indoor plants.
Yeah, I think they liked them.
They certainly did. What's this little prickly plant over here, mate?
Prickle. Tell us about the ruins, sucker.
And convicts built these ruins in 1843 at a total cost of £43. It was to do with the farming of the whales. But we might have some rains coming in. We're gonna get wet. This is our spot for tonight, right on the ocean. We've got some steaks cooking, and we've got some veggies. Sharing it with some wallabies. See if any of those wallabies come back out and get a video. Have you already got any videos? Our dinner in the background, if you're wondering. You got prickles all over you or something. What's it got all over it, Names? Grass seeds all over it.